How to apply a coupon code on Popeyes.com checkout. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to the menu section. Simply select what you want to order. After you've selected what you want to order, click on Add to Bag. After you've clicked on Add to Bag, it will lead you to this page. Add your location, pickup time. Scroll down and at the bottom, you'll find Order with Gift Card. Click on Order with Gift Card. And now here you can add your code, and then press on Redeem Gift Card, and according to your code, you'll find the discount, and if it's above the gift card's amount, you will need to pay extra amount. If not, you will purchase everything from this code. This is how to apply a coupon code on Popeyes.com checkout. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.